constant and partly varies as n. When n is equal to 4, m is equal to 5, and when n is equal to 12, m is equal to 14. Find the formula connecting or find the formula which connects m and n. And then that is where we'll stop today. Please, if you need more of the detailed explanation of this lesson, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of the content of my textbook. Now, from the first sentence, we are told that m varies, that is, m is partly constant and partly varies as n, that is, varies directly as n. So we're going to say m is equal to c. This c means it is partly constant, so the first constant, then plus partly varies directly as n. So we're going to introduce another k with n to show the direct variation here, there. So kn. So this is equation 1 from that sentence. Now what we're going to do is we're going to introduce the values of m and n given to us to form equation 2. So you can see m, when m is 5, n is 4. When we introduce it here, m is equals to c plus 4k, which is what has been formed here. So now we have formed equation 2. Similarly, using the second set of values given to us in the question, when n is 12 and m is 14, we form the second equation. So m is 14, and then n is 12k, 12 multiplied by k as shown here. So we now solve the two equations simultaneously. So we're going to say equation 3 minus the smaller equation 1, because the coefficient of c are already the same. So we can subtract now and eliminate c. So 14 minus 5 is 9. C minus c is 0. 12k minus 4k is 8k. They will now divide both sides by 8 in order to get the value of k, and that will give us k is equals to 9 over 8. Now, we can now go to equation 2. This is equation 2. Anywhere we see k, we are going to introduce 9 over 8 so that we can get the value of c. Don't forget there are two constants. We have gotten k, we have to look for c now. So when we introduce these values, we have finally c is equal to half as the final answer for the second constant. So now the formula connecting m and n will be obtained by going back to this equation 1. Go back to the equation 1. M and n will be left like that, but this time the values of k that we have obtained, we are going to introduce them into this equation. That will give us the formula. So that's it, is what I have here. M, which is this, is equal to c. C is half, then plus k. K is 9 over 8 as obtained, and then n. So this is the formula connecting them.